Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 13th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, customary weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at the lower 48 here and the systems moving across the country. As you can see, we got a little system here across the Ohio Valley, also a portion of the Mid-Atlantic moving to the east. Got another system here out in the middle portion of the country. Then we got the third system moving into the Pacific Northwest, over toward Washington, Oregon State, also California and Nevada region as well. The subtropical jet kind of slowly kind of dissipating at the time. The northern jet starting to begin to kind of get phased out in the United States. So right now, as you can see right now, the subtropical jet is very weak at this time, and right now we just got a zonal flow pretty much moving from west to east across the lower 48. As you can see, we got a little bit of activity in the Pacific Ocean around Hawaii, but nothing to write home about. The Gulf of Mexico is quiet, Caribbean Sea is quiet, and also got a little system. What we were watching the other day kind of got absorbed by a cold front, and it will continue to push east and to the north over the coming days. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got some shower activity off the coast of South Carolina down into Florida. Then again from Mississippi all the way up to Ohio, portion of Wisconsin, Michigan, to Iowa, back to portion of Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas and Missouri region. Then we got thunderstorms and showers across East Texas, Gulf of Mexico, into Louisiana, portion of Mississippi and Arkansas. We got some mixed precipitation, freezing rain up here in portion of Minnesota, to Iowa, portion of Nebraska, Wisconsin, also into Michigan. We got some more mixed precipitation, freezing rain over portion of Montana, more mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon State, also in the portion of Nevada, Utah, and also Colorado and Wyoming and California region, with a few pockets of heavy snow across Idaho, Oregon, and portion of California. Also have some heavy rain and flash flooding over northern California, and rain showers for portions of coastal and inland areas of Washington State, portion of Oregon, portion of Idaho, and also in the portion of California as well, in the coastal area in the Pacific Ocean there as well. Otherwise, expect high pressure to remain in charge of the remainder of the forecast area. Alright, let's move on to your day 3, which is Sunday. As you can see, we got mixed precipitation, freezing rain stretching from portion of Vermont and New York, down to Pennsylvania, West Virginia, D.C., Virginia, Western North Carolina region, and surrounding areas. And then we got more showers up here around the Great Lakes, to Michigan, to Wisconsin, to portion of Kentucky, Tennessee, even portion of Virginia, the Carolinas, back into Mississippi, also along the Outer Banks and east coast of North Carolina, a little bit along the east coast of Florida. Then we got thunderstorms and showers from Illinois down into Texas, including Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, portion of northwestern Mississippi, western portion of Tennessee, western Kentucky, and portion of Indiana as well. We got shower activity up here in portion of Washington, Oregon State, along coastal areas stretching into California, with mixed precipitation there as well in portion of Oregon and Washington State. And then we got snow flying in portion of Idaho, to Montana, to Wyoming, to Colorado, to Utah, with a pocket of heavy snow over portion of Wyoming and eastern Idaho. Alright, we got some mixed precipitation and freezing rain stretching from North Dakota, stretching into Montana. And then more mixed precipitation from areas of Minnesota down into South Dakota region, portion of Wyoming, and southeastern Montana. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to be in charge of your local forecast area. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see here we got winter weather advisories stretching from Minnesota, portion of North and South Dakota, down into Kansas, portion of Nebraska, Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin, and all of Iowa. Also, we have some ice storm warnings here in the purple there, or burgundy color here across portion of Iowa. Then we got winter storm watches in effect for northeastern areas of Montana. High wind warnings in effect for portion of eastern Wyoming. And then we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for Wyoming, portions of Idaho, also Utah, then Washington, Oregon State, a little bit in the California region as well. We have wind advisory for California, Nevada, and portion of Oregon, and also some cause let's see, we got some and let's see what we got here. Some flood watches that affect the California region as well. Also, we got the small craft advisory gale warning stretching from Maine to the east coast of Florida, then from the Big Bend area of Florida to eastern Texas, then from southern California all the way up to Washington State as well. Storm warnings in the purple. Alright, small craft advisory gale warnings around the the Hawaiian chain island, then around the Alaska region as well. Alrighty, we got extreme cold warning, cold weather advisory over Alaska, winter weather advisory inland, and also we have some hydro issues over a portion of western areas of Alaska. Alright, we don't have any severe weather to talk about. We're just going to talk about some general thunderstorms for portions of Portland, Oregon, all the way down to Fresno, California, including San Francisco, Sacramento, for Redding, and then Medford and Eugene and Portland, Oregon areas, and then again from Hannibal all the way down to Lupkin in the Houston area. Just general thunderstorm for day 2, which is your Saturday. We're going to take a look at day 3. Okay, as you can see, we got some from Springfield to Lupkin to Houston to Austin, Waco, Dallas, Wichita, Fort Steele, Norman, Oklahoma, Tulsa, just from general thunderstorm for day 3, which is Sunday. Alright, here's a look at the snowfall totals over the, almost 15 days. As you can see, we got heavy snow over portions of the northeast, stretching into portions of the western North Carolina mountains, and then portions of southeast Canada, and then more out west for portions of Montana down to portion of Oregon, also Washington State, Idaho, and also portion of Colorado. Lighter amounts elsewhere, maybe about 2 to 3 inches in that vicinity. Also got some heavy snow over portions of eastern Iowa as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing one more time if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.